Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Spotify friend activity. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to check for updates. So the first solution for Spotify not showing friend activity is to check for Spotify updates and keep it up to date. So if there's an available update, you'll see a blue dot next to the menu button in the top right corner and click the menu button and select update available and just restart now. And then after that, just restart Spotify. So the second fix for the Spotify friend activity not showing the issue is to restart the Spotify desktop app. So quit this app completely and relaunch it and then check if the Spotify friend activity shows. And then lastly, what you can do to fix this issue is to log out of Spotify and log back in. So when the Spotify friend activity does not work, you can also log out of Spotify and log back in. And to sign out, just click your name at the top right and then choose account and choose account overview. And scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click sign out everywhere. And then you'll be signed out of Spotify across all of the devices you've already or where you've signed into this service. And next, just log Spotify on as usual. And so that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.